I like that a lot. Well guys, if you know, you know. If you don't know, these are some wheels that I bought from 3Peice about a little over 5 months ago, 6 months ago now. And they were messed up when I got them. Sent them off about 3 weeks ago to 5-1 Customs, and he welded them up and mounted my valve stem where it was supposed to go, on the face of the wheel. So if you guys don't know what wheels I'm talking about, these are my VSKF'S. They're 16 by 9.5, 0 offset. Here's the valve stem that he did. Looks very good. Happy with that. And then also here he welded the hole shut. Hole used to be right there, and it's pretty smooth to me, so I'm happy with the outcome, and I'm ready to get some tires mounted on these wheels. Hopefully they hold air. We'll take them later this week to get some tires mounted. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking the wheels and tires, and hopefully we're gonna get them mounted. Hopefully they don't leak air from the valve stems. They shouldn't, because they are fixed now, but I do have one concern with one tire, because it is missing a little chunk off of it. I'm pretty sure that's from when the tire shop had to unmount them and stuff a few times just so we can replace the valve stems, because it was a pain. But I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. You can see right there on that tire, it's missing a chunk. I think the other three will hold air fine. If we can get it fixed, that'd be great. If not, well, I guess I'm gonna have to find a 195/45. Let's head to AutoWorks, get these wheels and tires dropped off. Okay guys, we just got our tire. FedEx just dropped off. We're gonna take it to the shop now. Okay guys, we got the wheels loaded up. Huge shout out to AutoWorks. Those guys really helped me out after so many times of trying to get these wheels to work. Finally, we're able to bring them home and put them on the car. So, all right guys, we made it home safe and sound with the wheels. There's the house. You can see the Honda over there. So now, I think I have enough time to put the wheels and tires on the Miata and see where we're at fitment wise. All right guys. We're gonna just clean the wheels up real quick. I got some chemical guys, wheel cleaner. I'd use something else, but I don't have anything, so this is what I have to do. Clean them up real quick because they got a lot of dust and stuff from when they were in California getting welded, and they didn't clean them, so I'm gonna clean them real quick. And yeah, we should be able to put them on the car. It looks baller. Let me get the others on and let's see what it looks like on the ground. That shit looks sick. Gonna have to go a little bit lower in the front and back, but all in all, shit looks good to me. Alright, let's get the other side and see what we're working with. Alright guys, here's what the car looks like on the ground. It looks fucking sick. Sorry for cussing. I like that a lot. I think I'm gonna go a little bit lower in the rear because it sits kind of high. We also need an alignment, so yeah, this thing looks sick. Super happy with how it's turning out so far. I love it. Yes, sir. Looks really good. I'm gonna check all the wheels and tire pressure with this tool right here, and I'm gonna look at the tires, see what PSI they need to be at, get the car figured out. Also, we need an alignment, but before we go to the alignment shop, I do badly need to get some brakes because I'm to the metal on the rear. Yeah, the pins are rubbing on the back of the rotor. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's lines in the rotor, and those brake pads are worn out, like worn out. But I'm gonna get some brakes first before we go get an alignment on this thing, and then yeah, that should be all we have to do before we can start actually driving the car. But I want to make sure everything is handled. I want to check everything before I do drive this car, because this car does have over 200,000 miles, and I'm just a kid having fun making it mine. But yeah, here's one more look at the car. It looks sick. I can't wait to drive it, and I can't wait to show you guys what else we got planned for this thing. I'm gonna try my best to keep my head high and stay motivated and get some videos out for you guys. Sorry for the lack of content on the Honda. I just heard back from Burton Racing that we should be getting our ECU back, and when we get that back, it'll be strictly Honda for a little bit, and then we'll start focusing on the Miata again once we get some more parts in for that. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to record more. I want to upgrade my camera equipment because I'm using a Hero 8. I was thinking maybe a Hero 11 or something along the lines of that. But also I did want like a nice little camera to start out with, but we'll see what the budget has for us. I still got to get a few more things for if we're gonna paint both cars, so on and so forth. You get it. All right, boys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video.